Hello everyone and welcome to Word Glow, where we learn English through powerful and meaningful stories. Today's story is about one of the most influential people in human history, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. His life was not easy. He was born an orphan. He faced rejection and hardship. Many people opposed him. But through patience, honesty, and strong faith, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, changed the hearts of millions and transformed the world. His story is not only part of history, it is a story filled with lessons about kindness, leadership, patience, and courage. So listen carefully, improve your English, and discover the inspiring life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Part 1. Birth and Early Life. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in the city of Makkah in present-day Saudi Arabia around the year 570 CE. His father, Abdullah, passed away before he was even born. This meant Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, entered the world already as an orphan. His mother, Amina, loved him deeply. But when Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was only 6 years old, she also passed away. Imagine being a small child and losing both parents. It was a very difficult beginning. After his mother's death, his grandfather Abdul Muttalib took care of him. But only 2 years later, his grandfather also passed away. Once again, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, faced loss. Finally, his uncle Abu Talib became his guardian and raised him with kindness and care. Even as a child, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was known for his honesty and good character. People trusted him. In fact, the people of Makkah gave Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, a special nickname. They called him Al-Amin, which means the trustworthy. Part 2. A young man known for honesty. As Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, grew older, he began working as a trader. He traveled with trading caravans and did business with people from different regions. But Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was not like many traders of that time. He never cheated people. He never lied. He always treated others fairly. Because of this, the reputation of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, continued to grow. One day, a successful and respected businesswoman named Khadija heard about the honesty of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. She asked Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to manage her trading business. He accepted and handled the business with great honesty and responsibility. Khadija was deeply impressed by the character of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Soon she developed great respect and admiration for him. Later, Khadija proposed marriage to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and they were married. Their marriage became one of love, trust, and strong partnership. Khadija would later become the first person to believe in the message of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Part 3. The First Revelation. As Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, grew older, he often spent time thinking about the problems in society. At that time, many people in Makkah worshipped idols and practiced unfair traditions. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, believed that people should live with justice, kindness, and faith in one God. So he often went to a quiet cave called Hira, located in the mountains near Makkah. There, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, would pray and reflect in silence. One night, when Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was about 40 years old, something extraordinary happened. An angel named Gabriel appeared to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The angel brought the first message from God. The first word revealed was read or recite. This moment was very powerful and emotional. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, returned home feeling surprised and overwhelmed. His wife, Khadija, comforted him and supported him. She believed strongly in Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This moment marked the beginning of the mission of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as the final prophet of Islam. Part 4. Difficult years in Makkah. After receiving the message, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, began teaching people about the belief in one God. He also taught about honesty, kindness, fairness, and helping the poor. But many powerful leaders in Makkah did not like the message of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. They feared losing their power and influence. Because of this, they began to oppose Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Some people mocked Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Others insulted him. Some even tried to harm Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his followers. Despite these hardships, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, remained patient. He never responded with cruelty. Instead, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, continued teaching peace, patience, and compassion. Part 5. The migration to Medina. Eventually, life in Makkah became very dangerous for the followers of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. At that time, people from the city of Medina invited Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to come and lead their community. This journey is known as the Hijrah, or migration. It was a very important moment in Islamic history. When Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, arrived in Medina, he was welcomed with great respect and happiness. In Medina, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, built a community based on justice, cooperation, and mutual respect. People from different tribes lived together peacefully. Under the leadership of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the community became stronger and more united. Part 6. Character and Legacy. What made Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, truly special was his character. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, treated people with kindness and respect. He forgave those who once harmed him. He cared deeply about the poor and the weak. Even when Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, became a powerful leader, he lived a simple life. He helped with household work. He spoke kindly to children. He treated everyone with fairness and compassion. Because of the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, millions of people learned about faith, mercy, justice, and kindness. Today, billions of people around the world respect and follow the example of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, teaches powerful lessons for all humanity. He began life as an orphan. He faced rejection and hardship, but through patience, honesty, and strong faith, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, became one of the most respected leaders in history. His story reminds us that true greatness comes from kindness, character, and compassion. Thank you for listening and learning with Word Glow. Keep learning English through powerful stories. And remember, great leaders are remembered not for their power, but for their character.